Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today my goal is to finish stripping down what is hopefully going to be 5J1113's new engine block. It's pretty well gutted already, but I want to get all the old studs out of it, see if I can get the sleeves pulled, and then really assess condition of it inside and out. So let's get into it. I swear, pulling these head studs can get so monotonous. Some can be pretty tight, but I'm not worried about trying to save these. They're kind of rusty. I have a few good sets already, and I want to use the ones that came out of 1113's engine anyhow. So I'm just using my cam over type stud remover to go ahead and pull them out. It puts some marks in them, but I'm not too worried about using them again anyway. So with all of the head studs out, I'm continuing down along this side of the block. I'm going to take all the rest of these out too. Completely going to strip this thing so I can go through every threaded hole, check every gasket surface. So now that I have all the studs out of the block, I want to clean this deck surface first before I set up to start pulling sleeves. I want to get some of that rust and scale off of there. I don't do any grinding in this part of the building though. I have other assemblies going on that I want to keep clean, and I don't want to have that kind of mess back here, so outside is definitely the place. Here's my problem though. This is Minnesota, and it's awesome all the time. I mean, mid-April, it's just, you know, it's like heaven on earth. So I'm not just gonna be able to put it outside like I would do on a nice day, but I think I have a plan. Now that I got the block deck clean, I was able to check the protrusion of these sleeves, even though I don't plan on using them. Again, it's kind of nice to know where these were so I can compare it when I install the new ones. I was running about 4 to 5 thousandths on each one, which kind of is what you can expect. At least it's what I expected to see. So now we get to find out how tight these sleeves are in this block. This one needs the cheater bar, but it's moving. One. Oh man, that one's got some stuff on the bottom. There's two. Okay, so this is where being on wheels can kind of burn you. I got some pressure on number 3, man. Oh, braced against the bench, so I can't kick out that way. Braced with my knee here. Brace there. Oh, that old boy just don't want to. Ooh, number 3, finally. Oh my God, it hurts. Whew. There. After being outside, the prospect of coming in here and pulling number 4 doesn't seem that bad. It's even thundering out there. Sometimes you just need the right motivation. Oh, could be worse. And number 4, that one sure had some rust on the bottom of it. Man, that's a lot of buildup. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, I haven't had sleeves come out that hard after I had overcome the press fit on any other engine I've ever taken apart. I mean, I've had them pressed in that tight, but once I got out of the press bars, it was unreal how much pulling I had to do to get those out from all the deposits. You can see here, that's from cylinder 1, a little bit of scale. Cylinder 2, a little bit more, and then we got cylinder 3 and cylinder 4. Quite a bit of stuff in there. So judging by all that sediment that came out, I've got some water jackets that really need to be cleaned. So due to the fight those sleeves had in them, we're running short on time yet again, but the final thing I want to do today is get these bearing shells out of the bottom of this block. So with that, I've got everything stripped out of the block that I wanted to have out of there. There's still a lot of work left to do, a whole lot of cleaning to do, and I'm going to have to look pretty closely at all those counter bores, sleeve bores, everything in there. But so far, guys, I haven't seen anything that worries me at all. That's about as far as I can go with it today. Sorry we didn't get any more done, but you know, fighting those sleeves, it ended up taking a little bit longer than I thought it was going to, but really didn't have any problems that we couldn't conquer today, so that's good. And we're keeping this project alive. I know I've been on X231 quite a bit lately, but I wanted to get out here and have a little bit of a change of scenery anyway. Look at that D2 for a while. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Tune in next time.